Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to add and remove Google account. So to get started, you will need to open up these settings. So let's do that right now. Tap right here and then on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings, and from here you can either scroll down till you find people or simply tap on the people tab and then Google accounts. And if you want to add, well, then click on add account. It will load it up, and in here simply put in your email address. So now this will probably not work because I'm using an account that is already added, as you can see, but let's try it anyway. So it still allowed me to add it, and as you can see, once you log in, it will give you the terms of service, so choose I agree, and there we go. Now it doesn't appear as there is another account because, well, it already exists, but that is how you would add it. And to remove the account once it's added, assuming it is not the primary account but just an added one, you can tap right on the three dots and remove this account, and there we go, it completely disappears. So that is how you would add or remove the Google account, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.